All right, we're gonna do some grilling tonight, and I've got this grill brush to use. And one thing I'm worried about is it rotates this way, and I don't want it to kick stuff back at me and get on my shirt, but it does have this guard. So I'm gonna use this such that this guard is kind of closer to the grill so it catches everything that it's scraping off. But we're gonna try it. We're gonna do some grilling tonight, so let me go ahead and get to work. One more thing, you want to make sure after you've cleaned it that none of these little bristles stick to the grill. You don't want those to get in your food. So after you clean it, give it a good scan and look, and make sure that none of these little wires are on the grill, because you don't want those in your food. All right, let's try it. If you're like me, grilling is the fun part. Cleaning the grill afterward, not so much. That's where this electric grill brush comes in. Instead of spending 10 or 15 minutes scrubbing away with traditional grill brush, this tool uses a powerful motor to do most of the hard work for you. The first thing I noticed was how much easier it is on your hands and wrists. Just turn it on, choose your speed, let the rotating brush head help break loose all that baked on grease, char, and leftover food that likes to cling to your grill grates. The handle has a comfortable non-slip grip and feels well balanced in the hand. Even after several minutes of cleaning, it doesn't feel cumbersome or tiring to use. Power comes from a built-in rechargeable battery, and charging is simple thanks to USB-C port. A full charge provides plenty of runtime for multiple grill cleanings, making it handy whether you're grilling at home or taking it along for camping trips or cookouts. It's one of those tools that barbecue enthusiasts will probably use far more often than they initially expect. Now, no tool is going to completely eliminate the need for a little elbow grease on extremely neglected grills, but this definitely makes the job faster, easier, and a lot less work than scrubbing everything by hand. All right, that worked pretty good, and I don't have anything on my shirt, so it didn't fly back. Now, one thing that you do once your grill is clean, you can unscrew this side, pop that off, take that, store it in a cup somewhere, clean this off, keep it in the garage, but it just slides on. Close this, tighten that screw. You can take that off, throw it in the dishwasher, clean it however you want to clean it. If you're tired of fighting with traditional grill brushes and want a quicker way to clean your grill grates, this electric grill brush is a convenient upgrade that helps take some of the hassle out of post-barbecue cleanup. There you go. That is the Vapro grill brush. It's got a flashlight. Can't really see it during the day. You can kind of see it a little bit. Nice flashlight so I can check at night what the grill's doing, but really nice grill brush. I really like that.